Check. Hey yo, hey man, I bled these blocks for everything I could. Never got shot, trying to stay up out of jail. Catch me at the hard spot, pushing rock, liquor store, trying to get this money back. Anybody say something? No, we not having that. Battle cat, that's how we think, that's how we roam. Live off inside the city, man. This is how it's on. The police got me watching my back every day, and the people got me walking around carrying K's, cause they know we don't play. It's real, it's okay. The cats be trying to trip with me. I don't say nothing, keep my mouth shut and my eyes open. I'm watching everything and staying focused, knowing we the dopest.
I'm staying focused on the conscious thing. They looking at me with the knowledge and the teachings that I really bring. Everything that I move is aim. We hustle every day, trying to maintain and try to make that cane. But I'm on my grind and every day, and trying to make it go hard in every single way. But we gotta stay focused on the grind, trying to do this like ABC Live in prime time. I do what I do, I represent the YHG crew. Cause it's one thing we gotta do for you and me and you. Shift the culture is all I'm trying to be like, so you can see how it is in the daily life. I can't get back to
TV, making sure that we don't mention. We gon' hold it down for everyone on my block. We keep it gangster, cause that's all we got. I love it a lot, like I love Pop, like they love Big, like they love me, like I love my kid. Everybody knows the way this life feels. Hard for it, I got scarred for it, but I don't trip, still going hard for it.
Hey, still going hard in every way. We on Studio Central Road, in it every way.
Every day.
One day it's gonna make it pay. So the end we on that hustle like we run a marathon a day. You see me how I flip in every page. I go hard in every way. I'm just playing a little bit with the words, but it's cool. We do what we do. We take it back to night school.
Well, I'm the STUDIO Central.
Okay.
Anybody got something to say, I'm eventually gonna get you. Alright, man. Next beat. Keep this thing going, man.
Keep it hot.
Alright.
Keep it hot tonight.
You start off.
What do you feel for it?
J Keys. Your boy.
In the Blue Room.
Doing that thing.
Yeah.
Like.
Got the Michael Jackson feel right here, man. Yeah. Okay. Here we go.